Good morning, dear children. Welcome you all to the home mentoring session of business study. In the last video, we have done the meaning of social responsibility and the arguments in favor as well as against the social responsibility. In this video, dear students, we will do how the business fulfill the social responsibility towards the various parties, various stakeholders which are connected directly or indirectly with the business. The first stakeholder is the shareholder. As you all know, shareholders are the owners of the business. They invest money in the business. So what they need from the business? They need and fair as well as regular return on investment of shareholder. अब what is the regular return? shareholders को क्या मिलता है शेयर्स में इन्वेस्ट करने के बदले में? they get the dividend. तो अगर उनको डिविडेंड जो उन्होंने मनी इन्वेस्ट किया है उनको अच्छा परसेंटेज ऑफ डिविडेंड मिले एज वेल एज ऐसा ना हो कि डिविडेंड कभी मिले कभी नहीं, इट शुड बी रेगुलर. नॉर्मली शेयर्स की इन्वेस्टमेंट में क्या होता है कि इट इज नॉट मैंडेटरी फॉर द कंपनी टू पे डिविडेंड एवरी ईयर. whether they when they earn profit then they give the dividend, but if the shareholder has invested the money, it is expectation of them to get the dividend regularly to ensure the safety of their investment. शेयर्स का क्या होता है? शेयर्स का प्राइस मार्केट में अप और डाउन जाता है. व्हाई इट गोज अप एंड डाउन? ड्यू टू द गुडविल ऑफ द कंपनी, ड्यू टू द मार्केट पोजीशन ऑफ द कंपनी. So shareholder want कि the company's position should be such कि their investment should not go down. The value of investment should be high. Then third point is to strengthen the financial position of the company. Now what is the financial position? आपने क्लास 11th के accountancy में पढ़ा होगा. Financial position relates to the balance sheet, and balance sheet means assets and liabilities. तो कंपनी की एसेट और लाइबिलिटी की पोजीशन अच्छी होनी चाहिए. देन टू सेफगार्ड द एसेट ऑफ द बिजनेस, टू प्रोटेक्ट द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ इन्वेस्टर इन द बिजनेस. नाउ वी कम टू द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ बिजनेस टूवर्ड्स द वर्कर. क्या चाहते हैं वर्कर बिजनेस से? कि उनको फेयर कॉम्पनसेशन मिले, फेयर बेनिफिट मिले, फेयर सैलरी मिले, प्रॉपर वर्किंग एनवायरमेंट मिले, उनको सेंस ऑफ बिलोंगिंगनेस हो, उनको कुछ शेयर जो है प्रॉफिट का भी मिले, जो उनको मेजर डिसीजन होते हैं जो वर्कर्स के लिए ले जाते हैं, दे शुड टेक पार्टिसिपेट इन दोज डिसीजन. सो दिस इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द बिजनेस टू फुलफिल द वर्कर्स एक्सपेक्टेशन and give them the proper we can say recognition in the business by way of giving the different type of incentives. If the one worker is working very good, they should get some award or the prize from the company. Then third is responsibility towards the consumer. Consumer, as we are the consumer, what we need कि we should get good quality of products at a reasonable price, and whenever the requirement of goods is there, there should be the adequate supply, and we should be aware of the new product and we should know how to use that product. Sometimes आपको डेमो देते हैं कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स की. if you are going to the shop for purchasing the mobile, each and every new feature added in that mobile is told to you by the salesman. So this is the responsibility. If the salesman refuses to tell you, it means they are not fulfilling the responsibility to handle the customer grievance promptly. Grievance होता है complaints, कि उनकी complaints जल्दी से जल्दी sort out हो. Nowadays the call center has been opened. Complaint center has been opened. For any product you can call to the call center for the grievances. Next responsibility of business towards the government, they should pay the tax honestly, they should fulfill all the rules and regulation made by the government, and they should avoid the corruption method, कि कहीं भी corruption ना करें, corruption less होनी चाहिए. Then responsibility of business towards the community to make available opportunity for the employment. Business should generate employment. Business should try to avoid the pollution of the environment. They should use the environmental friendly system so that there should be less and less pollution in the society to uplift the weaker section of society. Business should provide the quota system. कुछ ऐसी होना चाहिए कि there should not be discrimination between male and female, and they should give the jobs to the weaker section. उनके लिए अलग से कुछ charity का arrangement होना चाहिए. For example, Ambanis have opened their own school, own hospital to help their workers, to help the community. Now the next topic is business and environmental प्रोटेक्शन. बड़ा हैरानी होती है सुन के कि बिजनेस कैसे करेगा एनवायरमेंट में. बिजनेस तो बिजनेस करेगा, दे विल अर्न प्रॉफिट ओनली. नो, इट इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, क्योंकि एनवायरमेंट को पॉल्यूट कौन कर रहा है? बिजनेस कर रहा है. सो इट इज द ड्यूटी ऑफ द बिजनेस टू क्लीन देयर सराउंडिंग, बिकॉज they are using that resources. For example, what is I think everybody know what is environment. Environment is defined as a totality of man's surrounding. कौन सी होती हैं? Natural as well as man-made. Natural resources are land, water, air and man-made. And cultural heritage, socio-economic institution and the people are the man-made environment. Now I think everybody know what are the types of pollution. There may be air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, noise pollution. Business spread all those pollutions. Now, what is the role of business environment? They should manufacture eco-friendly and clean or low-waste technology system to lessen the pollution of the environment. Industrial waste should be recycled as far as possible. Plant and machinery should be modernized to minimize the pollution. The business houses should comply with the laws and regulation enacted for prevention of the pollution, and positive steps should be taken to save environment. These include plantation of trees, cleaning of rivers, ponds, etc. So this was all in this chapter. In this chapter we will cover only this thing. क्या करना है इस chapter के अंदर? Social responsibility का meaning, arguments in favor and against, and the parties which are connected with the business and business environment. Thank you very much.